Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G50, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration features on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose sound over here, and click on vibrate full calls. Over here, select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on it, and go back. Now you need to scroll down, choose advanced, scroll down again, and tap on the switchers next to vibration features, like for example charging sounds and vibration, or touch vibrations, or even outgoing call vibrations to enable or disable vibrations for those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!